Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10th mathematics midterm examination previous question paper key answers. So in the last video we have solved some of the questions related to 3 marks, that is from question number 25 to question number 27 we have solved. In this video we are going to continue 3 marks question, that is from question number 28. So question number 28 is like this: if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So this is for that one. One more internal choice question is there. So let us solve both the questions. So now for 28th question, let us write the sentence: let the fraction be x by y, that is numerator is x and denominator is y. According to the condition, if 1 is added to numerator, it will become x plus 1, and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it will become y minus 1, which is equal to 1. So now x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. 1 will become y minus 1. X plus y become minus y is equal to minus 1. So plus 1 become minus 1. So x minus y is equal to minus 2. You call this as equation 1. Then one more condition is there. It becomes 1 by 2. That means means fraction becomes 1 by 2 when we only add 1 to the denominator, that is keeping the numerator as it is, adding 1 to the denominator. So if we only add 1 to the denominator, so now cross multiply it. 2 into x, 2x is equal to y plus 1. 1's a y plus 1. So 2x plus y become minus y is equal to 1. You call it as equation 2. Observe equation 1 and 2. Here minus y is there, here also minus y is there. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let us write equation 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2, and equation 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. So when we subtract, plus become minus, minus become plus, and plus become minus. So plus y minus y cancel. Minus 2x plus 1x is minus 1x. Next minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So minus, so it will become, so plus y minus y will get cancelled. Minus 2x plus 1x is minus 1x. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So minus minus cancel. Therefore x is equal to x is equal to 3. We got the value of x as 3. After getting the value of x, substitute the value of x to either equation 1 or equation 2. So equation 1, what is there? X minus y is equal to minus 2. X under 3. 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 2. Plus 3 become minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So what is the fraction? X by y. So x is 3 and y is 5. Therefore, the required fraction is 3 by 5. So like this we have to find out the fraction. So what is the fraction? 3 by 5. Now in this one only, again one more internal choice question is there. So let us answer that internal choice question. Solve the pair of equation by reducing to a pair of linear equation. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus y 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2, and 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So now let us answer question number 28, internal choice question. So let us take the question now. So the internal choice question is like this. So question: they have given 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Then 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ. Let 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to b. So now 5 divided by 5, what is 1 divided by x minus a? It is a, 5a plus 1 divided by y minus 2 is b, which is equal to 2. You call it as equation 1. Next 6, 1 divided by x minus y is a, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This you call it as equation 2. So now let us make both b as the same. To make b as the same, multiply equation 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So 3 5s are 15a plus 3b is equal to 3 2s are 6. Then 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Plus 3b minus 3b cancel. 15a plus 6a become 21a is equal to 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So a is equal to 7 divided by 21. 1s are 3s. A is equal to 1 by 3. After getting the value of a, find the value of b. So 5a plus b is equal to 2. 5 into a means 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 5 by 3 become minus 5 by 3. So b is equal to 3 LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. So b is equal to 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3 and b is also 1 by 3. Both a and b are equal. So now we have substituted that 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to b. 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to a andre 1 by 3. 1 divided by y minus 2 is equal to b andru 1 by 3. Now 1 is equal to 1. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 1 become plus 1. X is equal to 4. Therefore the value of x is 4. Then 1 is equal to 1. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 minus 2 become plus 2. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, which will be equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So like this we have to find out the value of x and y. So now let us move for the 29. So 29th is a theorem. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Then 30th question, it is a construction question. Now let us move for 31st question. So the 31st question, again that is also a construction question. Now let us move for 32nd question. In the given figure, the vertices of triangle ABC are given. A 0, 6 and B 8, 0 and C 5, 8. If CD perpendicular to AB, now we have to find the length of the altitude CD. So we have to find out the altitude CD. So ಇದನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾನು ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ನಡುವೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ, ಬೇಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಬೇಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಟನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ Let us find out the length of that is CD. So question number 32. First let us find the area of the triangle ABC. A given 0, comma 6, x1, y1. B given as 8, comma 0, x2, y2. And C is given as 5, comma 8, which is x3, y3. So now let us use the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 0 into y2 0 minus y3 8 plus x2 is 8 into y3 into x2 is 8 into y3 is 8 minus y3 minus y1, so y1 is 6 plus x3 is 5 into y1 is 6 minus y2 is 0. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 0 into minus 8 plus 8 into 2 plus 5 into 6. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, I'll get 0 into minus, 0 into minus it is 0, 8 2s are 16, then 5 6 are 30. So it will become 30 plus 16 become 46. So area is equal to half of 46 is 23 square units. So 23 square units is the area of the triangle ABC. So triangle ABC ಇದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ by using distance formula. Let us find the distance between a and b. A is given as 0, 6, that is x1 y1, and b is given as 8, 0, that is x2 y2. So distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So distance andre it is distance between A and B. AB is equal to square root of x2 andre 8 minus x1 andre 0 whole square plus y2 andre 0 minus 6 whole square. So AB is equal to square root of 8 minus 0 is 8 square plus 0 minus 6 is minus 6 whole square. So AB is equal to square root of 8 8s are 64 plus 6 6 are 36. So AB is equal to 64 plus 36 is square root of 100. So AB is equal to square root of 100 is 10 units. So we know the distance between A and B is 10 units. Now let us find the altitude CD. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So area we got is 23 is equal to half into base. Base is given as AB, which is equal to 10 units, into height. Height is given as CD. So 23 into 2 ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೋಣ. 2 1s are 2 5s. So 23 is equal to 5 CD. So CD is equal to 23 divided by 5. So CD is equal to 5 1s, 5 4s are 20, in 3 mikto 30, 5 6 are 30. So CD is equal to 4.6 units. So therefore the distance between the altitude CD is 4.6 centimeter. So like this we have to find out what is the altitude of the triangle. The ಸೊ altitude ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯಾನೆ. ಸೊ altitude of the triangle which is CD is equal to 4.6 units. So like this we have to solve this question. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು internal choice question ಇದೆ. Show that the triangle whose vertices are A 8, -4, B 9, 5 and C 0, 4 is an isosceles triangle. ಸೊ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಸೋಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್. ಎ ವರ್ಟಿಸಿಸ್ದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸು 8, -4 x1 y1. ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 9, 5 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ x2 y2. ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವೀಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x2 - x1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 9 - 8 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y2 - y1 y2 minus into minus plus. So 5 plus 4 whole square. So AB is equal to square root of 9 minus 8 is 1 square. 5 plus 4 is 9 square. So distance between AB is equal to, so 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So AB is equal to square root of 82. Square root of 82 units bantu. Idu distance between A and B. Now let us find out the distance between B and C. B is 9, 5 which is x1 y1 and C is 0, 4 which is x2 y2. So distance between BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square 0 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 4 minus 5 whole square. So distance between BC is equal to 0 minus 9 is minus 9 whole square plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1 whole square. So BC is equal to square root of minus 9 9s are 81. 1 square minus 1 whole square become 1. So BC is equal to square root of 82 units. Next, after finding distance between B and C, let us find out the distance between A and C. So A is 8, minus 4, then which we call it as x1 y1, and C is 0, 4 which is x2 y2. So now let us find out distance between A and C. So AC is equal to x2 minus x1 0 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 4 minus into minus plus 4 whole square. So AC is equal to square root of 0 minus 8 is minus 8 whole square plus 4 plus 4 is 8 square. So distance between A and C is equal to minus 8 whole square is 64 plus 8 square is 64. So distance between A and C, AC is equal to square root of 64 two times. So AC is equal to square root of 64 is 8 root 2 units. So this is the distance between AC. Now here in this question, so AB and BC are equal. AB is equal to BC which is equal to square root of 82 units. Therefore, if two sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, two sides are equal. Therefore, two sides are equal. It is an equilateral, it is an isosceles triangle. Since two sides are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. So like this we have to solve question number 32. Now let us move for the last question of 3 marks, that is question number 33. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. We have to prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let us assume that root 5 is rational. If it is rational, then root 5 is equal to P by Q in the bracket, where P and Q are coprime. P and Q are coprime. So root 5Q is equal to P. Square on both sides. Root 5Q whole square is equal to P square. So root 5 whole square become 5. 5Q square is equal to P square. So 5 divides P square. 5 divides P. 5 divides P. Next, let P is equal to 5K, where K is some integer. ಈ P value 5K ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ substitution ಮಾಡಿ. 5Q square is equal to P square. So 5Q square is equal to P square. P is what? 5K whole square. So 5Q square is equal to 5 5s are 25K square. So 5 1s are 5 5s are. So Q square is equal to 5K square. So 5 divides Q square. 5 divides Q. 5 divides Q. So this contradiction arisen. This contradiction arisen because of our wrong assumption. Because of our wrong assumption. Because of our wrong assumption. Root 5 is not rational. Therefore, root 5 is irrational. So like this we have to prove that root 5 is irrational. So by this we have successfully completed 3 marks questions of paper 3. In the next video we are going to solve from question number 34, that is which carries 4 marks. So till then, thank you very much.